Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson of Thoŋ. So in the previous class, we did Akeer Dhëŋ. We talked about Akeer Yao. Today, we'll talk about Akeer Dhëŋ. And you can see Akeer Dhëŋ here in underlined. This, 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 and this. So we'll talk more about it and show you some examples. Akeer Dhëŋ. Akeer Dhëŋ Ayakeer mat chika Deng ni cheat pay. Ayakeer mat chika Deng ni cheat pay. Akeer Dhëŋ Aingwan. Akeer Dhëŋ Aingwan, as you can see them here. This is how I like to remember them. Kedeng in Tongjang means something that looks cute, right? So they look cute when they're together. So this one is na, nya, tha, tha. So this is how they're written in capital letters, and then this is how they're written in small letters. The first letter we'll talk about is na. I'll give some examples that have na and then the English translation. Niem, niem, hair. Nyal, nyal, knee. Nyal, nyal, the sky. Nyalich, nyalich, God. Noam, noam, grace. Nyany, nyany, bad smell. Num, num, head. Will nongij na. Yuku rut miar. Yuku rut miar. Let us love each other. Nyalich e tok. Nyalich e tok. God is one. Yinche amiachin. Yinche amiachin. You have squeezed my hand. Yinmiar apay. Yinmiar apay. I love you very much. Nier ache til. Nier ache til. Love doesn't discriminate. Akeer Dhëŋ nya. Examples of Akeer Dhëŋ nya. Anyar, anyar, buffalo. Nyit, nyit, brain. Nyop, nyop, barn. Tuny, tuny, pot. Nyel, nyel, python. Anyol, anyol, maize. Nyir, nyir, gulls. Will nongij nya. Enche nyol red wamith. Enche nyol red wamith. I have suffered a lot with the children. Met anyol ajithko. Met anyol ajithko. The child is peeling the chicken. Tuny atothar mej. Tuny atothar mej. The pot is on the cooking pit. Nyang e dith etong juich. Nyang e dith etong juich. A crocodile lays many eggs. Nyir apol. Nyir apol. The girls are playing. Akeer Dhëŋ tha. Duk, boy. Duk or dok, boy. Diop, diop, old age. Dar, dar, to be tired. Diop, diop, in low. Deer, deer, mosquito. Diao, diao, to cry. The thumb, 6. Dhëŋ, dhëŋ, gun. Will nongij tha. Yengu yin adom. Yengu yin adom. Why are you lying to me? Achol e diop. Achol e diop. Achol is my in-law. Ankor bel ke the tem. Ankor bel ke the tem. I want 6 sugar cans. Thoŋ tim ko. Thoŋ tim ko. Split up the tree. Met adhiau. Met adhiau. The child is crying. Yengu yin adong. Yengu yin adong. Why are you skipping me? Akeer Dhëŋ, tha, tha. Thorod, thorod, camel. Thom, thom, guitar. Thany, thany, fisherman. Tho, au thok, tho, au thok, goat. Thiek, thiek, marriage. Thiek, thiek, dike. Fiang, fiang, antelope. Tho, tho, death. Will nongij tha. Liep yitok man. Liep yitok man. Open your mouth, child. Baikwa a thiak. Baikwa a thiak. Our homes are next to each other. Enche chin tiang. Enche chin tiang. My hands are full. Thonyum. Thonyum. Clean your nose. Thany a teo rich riei. Thany a teo rich riei. The fishermen are putting fish into the boat. Malwal acheng alantit. Malwal acheng alantit. Malwal is wearing a red shirt. Thank you very much and see you guys next time. Bye-bye.